What did they call this now? Rope step?
Overlook?
Rope overlook, that was it?
Seriously?
Yeah. Well, it looks like a rope.
Why are you questioning that?
She's gonna try it, isn't she?
Yeah.
He just does it now.
I can't stop using the rope. Use the rope.
That's what it's there for.
That's a nice rope.
That is. I wonder if somebody don't steal that thing. It's real nice. You all right, Sally?
So.
Okay, it's gonna be quite a pull, they say. Quite a climb.
I'll let you go in front of me.
Okay.
The fact that I have to go back down.
And this is the, you're coming down?
Well, yeah, what goes up must come down, but
Well,
it's
sure.
easier coming down.
That's what the rope is for. Oh my goodness, look at this. What a set of stairs. This is, what do you call this, cracking rock or something?
I don't think this was the, what is it, the widow's crack or the grandma's crack?
No, I don't think so. This was something, this ain't been here long.
This is just a crack.
Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this with a damn GoPro in my hand, I'll tell you. I think I need both hands.
I'm going to get up because I didn't want to keep yanking on the rope because I know I can move it.
Yeah, because I'm all over the place.
Well, I figured if I started yanking at it too, it just
Yeah.
wouldn't work.
Yeah, it would. It'd probably make me fall. Woo! Holy cow. There she goes. There she goes. Jade ain't slowed down for a second.
No, it's funny. Yesterday, when he was telling her she should wear tennis shoes for this,
Yeah?
I was like, I ain't going to do it. And there ain't nobody going to make me.
You ain't gonna outdo me, Jade. I don't care how young you are. Holy cow. Woo! Man. Wow. No wonder they wanted up here bad. Here's the bridge over the crack, I guess. Woo! Wow. Where'd you go, Jay? Yeah. Somebody was smart enough to put a fence up here. Oh my gosh. Look at that. They just get better and better. Evidently you're not supposed to go over there, Jade. Wow. Look at that. Look at that wall of rock. I don't know if this camera is going to do it justice or not, but this is amazing. This part of Kentucky's got the finest overlooks in the state. Wow, that's a long ways down. Ooh. You guys make it?
Yeah, we made it.
Even Kevin? I hear Kevin?
Yep.
Oh my gosh. I believe it.
What, do you expect me to do that?
Well, you was fussing about 54 steps or something. I said, well, he's probably not going to come up.
Yeah, head start.
Well, I beat
Well, I was
And you're
sucking.
16.
I was sucking some air by the time I got up there.
Me too.
That's for sure. Holy cow.
Did it like it was nothing.
Yeah, Jay just barreled up it. Damn kids. Whew. And it looks like more ledges over there on that side. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. That's enough of that. Head for the next one.